Hello, I've got my music box again today. So today you will need something to shake. So I have got a yoghurt pot with some pasta in. I've got some tin foil on and a rubber band. Or you could get a pencil case. You will also need something to bang, a drum. I've got my pan. And also you will need something to scrape, a gyro. I have got my potato masher. I've got my instrument, so you need to go quickly, get something to shake, bang and scrape. Off you go. Right, are you back? Have you got something? Okay, and we'll sing the song. What's inside the music box? Instruments to play. A shaker's in the music box. A shaker we will play. With a shake, shake here and a shake, shake there. Here a shake, there a shake, everywhere a shake, shake. A shaker's in the music box. A shaker we will play. What's inside the music box? Instruments to play. A drum's inside the music box. A drum is what we'll play. With a bang bang here and a bang bang there. Here a bang, there a bang, everywhere a bang bang. A drum is in the music box. A drum is what we'll play. What's inside the music box? Instruments to play. A gyro in the music box. A gyro we will play. With a scrape, scrape here and a scrape, scrape there. Here a scrape, there a scrape, everywhere a scrape, scrape. A gyro's in the music box. A gyro we will play. What's inside the music box? Instruments to play. What's inside the music box? Instruments to play. With a shake, shake here and a bang, bang here and a scrape, scrape, scream. Here a shake, there a bang, here a scrape. Instruments in the music box. Instruments to play. See you later.